National Cadet Corps, Vagdevi Degree and PG College, 10T Battalion Batch from Warangal. International Yoga Day being celebrated on June 21. First of all, we need to know what is the special of this day. The idea to celebrate World Yoga Day has been proposed by many. Amongst them, a call significant international humanitarian and meditation and yoga guru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar in December 2011. Following the adoption of UN resolution, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar lauded the efforts of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, stating that it is very difficult for any philosophy, religion or culture to survive without state patronage. Now official recognition by the UN would further spread the benefit of yoga to entire world. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi started this movement. He also said that once an individual develops interest in yoga and starts diligently practicing it, it will always remain a part of his life or her life. Yoga is an entrance point to one's spiritual journey. We need to know what is yoga. Yoga is the physical, mental and spiritual practices which originated in ancient India with a view to attain a state of permanent peace of mind in order to experience one's true self. Yoga origin. Yoga is stilling of the changing state of mind. The origins of yoga are a matter of debate. It may have pre-Vedic origins or many other origins. Let us see some of the yogas here done by students of Vagdevi Degree and PG College. The first one is Padmasana. Padmasana, what you might know as the lotus pose in yoga, is a sitting position traditionally used for meditation practice in India. The legs are crossed with the feet on opposite thighs, back straight and arms rotating on the top of the knees. Next, Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana is a standing balancing pose. This pose strengthens the leg muscles and helps develop stability. This pose keeps the hip open and stretches the sides of the trunk, lower back and the upper back. The arms stretched upwards promotes the flexibility of the shoulders. Uttasana, an intense forward bending pose, intense stretching pose, standing forward bend, standing forward fold pose or standing head to knee pose is an asana. In Sanskrit, it is called as Uttanasana. Stand to stretch. Asana posture pronounced as Uttanasana. Next, Halasana. The plow pose Halasana is derived from the Sanskrit word hala, which means plow. It is named so because the final pose resembles the plow, an agriculture equipment. Ranging between the difficulty levels of intermediate and advanced, this folded inversion posture is usually best practiced towards the culmination of your yoga section. Next, Urdhva Sravangasana is a yoga pose wherein whole body is balanced on shoulders. It is also a part of Padmasadhana yoga sequence. Sarva means all, Anga means part of body and Asana is posture. As the name indicates, Sarvangasana influence the functioning of all parts of your body. Shersasana or Sirsasana. The Sirsasana or headstand yoga is called the king of all asanas. The asana is very popular due to its multiple health benefits. It speeds up the blood circulation and ensures that the brain receives sufficient well oxygenated blood. Bhujangasana or Bhujangasana is a back bending pose which is also used as a part of traditional Surya Namaskar sequence, which we can see its at step 8 and step 20. In Sanskrit, the word Bhujangasana comes a combination of two words bhujanga, which translates to cobra, or and asana meaning posture. Even visually, it reflects the posture of a cobra that has its hood raised, and hence it is also called as cobra pose. Finally, the conclusion is that yoga is a practice of tolerating the consequences of being you or ourselves, which is said in Bhagavad Gita. Hope each and everyone will practice yoga every day. Jai Hind.